How to set countdown. At first, let's know some button about set countdown. CD set button twice directly into the settings. Right button exit the settings. Up, down button to adjust the value. Then it's time to set countdown. Press CD set button twice directly into the settings and adjust the day. This all set up the day. Then press mode button to adjust the countdown hour. This is hour. Up, down. This is set hour. And then press mode button again. This is full set minute. And then press mode button again. This is a full set second. Okay, now we can set up 10 seconds to see how this function works. Okay, 10 seconds. When you set up 10 seconds wheel and then you press mode button again, you will see this place is so on. This place is so off. On. This is off. On or off. This place means if you want to circle this countdown function. It's not for begin this countdown. It's only for if you want keep this circle this function. Okay, because later we will practice circle the countdown this function. So this place we choose on. Okay, this place on, it means you keep this countdown, and next time you can repeat it. You can circle this countdown. Okay. Okay. Set up it wheel and then press this button to begin the countdown. Okay. When you want to repeat this countdown, just press this CD set button and CD set button twice time and then press this button. Look. Okay, so like this do, you can repeat many this countdown what you have set. Okay, attention my friend. When you want to use this circle countdown this function, you have to make sure your clock have this battery. Because the shipment policy don't alone bring the battery to another country, so our clock don't have battery. If you want to use this circle according to this function, you have to at first make sure you have battery in the clock. Our battery still is, you can see this, CR2032. Okay, first you can buy this steel battery and put in this clock, and then you can use this circle countdown this function.